Dear Divine, as I lay down to rest, I surrender the burdens of this day into your loving hands. Quiet the worries that linger in my mind and replace them with the gentle whisper of your peace. May my dreams be filled with your guidance, illuminating the path you have set before me. Wash away my fears and fill the spaces of my soul with the light of your love. Grant me the wisdom to embrace tomorrow's challenges with a heart that trusts, a spirit that remains steadfast, and a mind that is renewed. Let my body find true rest, my heart find true comfort, and my spirit find true renewal in the stillness of this night. As I awaken, may I rise with gratitude